Hello friends, this is the profile projector. Okay, what we are having. In this way we are supposed to switch it on. Okay, these are the knobs. Okay, or you can say it has buttons. Okay, by means of this we can turn it on. Now, as far as this particular micrometer is concerned, okay, this is the basically table, and on the table you can place the threaded specimen. Here one of the specimen has been kept. Now as far as this particular micrometer is concerned, by rotating this you can control the transverse movement, that is in and out movement can be controlled. And one more micrometer is there, and whenever we will be moving this, okay, against that we will be achieving the longitudinal movement, that is this left and right movement of the table can be achieved. So two micrometer screw gauges are there. Okay, one, this is for moving the table in the transverse direction, that is in and out, and this is the another micrometer which will be managing the your longitudinal movement, that is left to right. Now these are the focusing lens over here, and whatever image kept over here or whatever component has been kept over here, okay, image of the same will be displayed on the circular display screen over here. Circular display screen over here. So you can see this particular threaded image, okay, over here, and along the periphery you will be finding out this main scale, and main scale will be having the graduations from 0 to 360 degree, okay, which will be expressed in degree. That is the unit for the our main scale. And as far as this particular small scale is concerned, okay, this will be having the 0 to 60 lines, and it will be in the form of minutes. So lower scale or this smaller scale, which is also called as minute scale reading, it will be expressed in minutes, okay, which is the fraction of the degree. And this entire big scale, whatever you can see, okay, it will be in the form of degrees. Okay, so we are supposed to determine the four parameters against the selected specimen. First one is the major diameter, second one is the minor diameter, okay, third one is nothing but the pitch, okay, and fourth one is nothing but the thread angle. Now let us start with the experiment. Now you can see this particular threaded profile. Okay, now we are supposed to manage the longitudinal movement in order to calculate the pitch. Suppose we are focusing on this pitch, okay, we wish to determine. So it is the distance in between the two successive crest or successive troughs. So you can see, okay, there are two lines, vertical line and horizontal line, and this is the midpoint, okay, that is intersection of in between these two vertical and horizontal lines. So these are nothing but the cross wires we can see as far as this particular screen is concerned. Now vertical line you are supposed to match with the middle of the crest, okay, as far as this threaded profile is concerned. Okay, so against that you are supposed to note down the micrometer reading. We are supposed to note down the micrometer reading. Again, this, suppose we consider this reading as x1, okay, we rotate it, and again I am moving it to the next successive crest point in this fashion. So the distance, okay, has been changed. Again you are supposed to take the new reading by means of micrometer. So total reading in case of micrometer is nothing but the main scale reading, after that your circular scale reading into least count. So least count is 0.01 in the case of micrometer screw gauge. So total reading we are getting again, so x1, and this new reading whatever we are getting x2. So difference in between these two readings, that will be an x. So in that particular case, okay, we will be getting the pitch. So pitch is the distance between the two successive crest or two successive troughs. Okay, so that is related to the pitch. Now when we talk about the major diameter, so we had matched this particular line. Okay, so against that we can measure this particular, we are supposed to use this particular transfer movement. Okay, so here referring this particular micrometer screw gauge, we are supposed to take the reading. Okay, so again the total reading will be the your main scale reading plus circular scale reading into the least count. So whatever we are getting suppose for example x3 over here. Again you are supposed to move it up. So this is the your crest point, right? over here, and opposite crest point you are supposed to refer either this or this. So you are supposed to move the image in the vertically upward direction till this particular horizontal line matches with the peak point of the crest. So you can see this particular image is going up, and suppose we are matching this horizontal line over here. Okay, now at this particular location, at that particular position, you are supposed to again take this particular total reading related to the micrometer, okay, which will be managing the transverse movement. Okay, so earlier reading may be x3 and this one is x4. Whenever we take the difference, it will be a major diameter. So why major diameter? Because peak to peak distance has been measured. Now we will move towards the how to measure the minor diameter. So for that, again you are supposed to use this particular micrometer thimble. You are supposed to rotate it. Now you can see over here at the trubs, okay, we had matched this particular horizontal line, okay, and suppose this is x5 over here, okay, total reading is x5. Then again we are supposed to move, okay, in vertical upward direction as far as this particular horizontal line is concerned. So again we are supposed to match this horizontal line with the valley points of opposite thread profile. So it has been matched over here, and again you are supposed to take the new reading, which will be x6 over here, and the difference in between the x5 and x6, we can get the difference, and in this case, okay, value to valley points, whenever we are matching, we are getting the minor diameter. Now further, in order to measure the thread angle, okay, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to use this, match this particular midpoint in this fashion, okay, as far as this particular valley is concerned. Okay, this is now vertical, perfectly vertical, this line you can see, okay, this is the vertical line on the glass screen, and that you are supposed to tilt. Now you are supposed to tilt this particular vertical line, which will be engraved on the glass screen, okay, so that it will be a tangent. So I am rotating this. So yes, this is the tangent, okay, and for that you are supposed to note down your mean scale reading as well as the minute scale reading is concerned. So if you see this particular reading, so this is 31, 32 and 33 has been crossed. So mean scale reading is 33, okay, which will be expressed in degrees, and you are supposed to match. So this line is not matching with this particular 33 line, okay, it is beyond that, means 0 is again in front of that. So you are supposed to check out the minute scale reading, and you are supposed to match the line which perfectly matches with respect to the line on the degree scale reading. So 10th. So this line is there, okay, it is matching with another scale. So minute scale line is matching over here with respect to the degree scale reading. So this is the 10. So I'll be getting the reading in this particular case 31, 32, 33, okay, 33 degrees and 10 minutes. 33 degrees and 10 minutes over here, okay. So this is the half thread angle. You can see from the vertical it has been shifted towards this particular tangent position. So here we will be getting the half thread angle, okay, you can see, and when we multiply it with the 2, you will be getting the full thread angle. So by means of this particular profile projector, we will be able to calculate the pitch, we'll be able to calculate the major diameter, minor diameter and thread angle. So this is the parameters we can achieve by means of profile projector. So this was the threaded specimen, okay, which has been selected. So we can have the different thread angles, and by focusing on the image, okay, and with the use of profile projector, okay, you can come to know major diameter, minor diameter, pitch and the thread angles. So thank you. Thanks a lot.